The History panel in Adobe Premiere Pro is an extremely useful tool for tracking and managing the sequence of actions you've taken while editing. Here's a breakdown of what it does. 1. Tracks your actions. The History panel records all the steps you take in your project, listing them in chronological order. This includes every edit, effect application, and adjustment you make. 2. Undo multiple steps. You can use the History panel to undo multiple actions at once. Instead of pressing Ctrl+Z repeatedly, you can click on any previous step in the History panel to revert the project back to that state. 3. Non-destructive editing. Because you can jump back to any previous state of your project, the History panel facilitates a non-destructive editing workflow. This means you can experiment with different edits and effects without the risk of permanently altering your project. 4. Visual timeline of actions. The panel provides a visual representation of your editing history, making it easier to track and understand the changes you've made. 5. Reset changes. If you realize you've gone too far with your edits, you can quickly return to a previous state without having to manually undo each action.